Are you familiar with Google's page experience update and how it impacts your SEO efforts? If not, then you've come to the right place. Today, we're going to unravel the concept of this significant update and why it's a game changer for website owners and digital marketers alike. As we all know, Google is always on the move, continuously tweaking its algorithms to provide the best possible results for its users. The page experience update, rolled out by Google, is one such significant change that places user experience at the forefront of website ranking factors. But what exactly does this mean? Well, in simple terms, the page experience update is a set of metrics that Google uses to evaluate how users interact with a web page beyond its purely informational value. These metrics encompass various aspects, including loading speed, interactivity, and visual stability, collectively known as the core web vitals. Now you might be wondering, why is this important? The answer is straightforward. With this update, Google aims to ensure that the sites ranking at the top are not only rich in content, but also provide a smooth and enjoyable user experience. This means that websites that offer both high-quality content and an excellent user experience will have a competitive edge in search engine results pages, or SERPs. For businesses and website owners, this update is a call to action. It's time to shift focus from solely content-driven SEO strategies and start considering the overall user experience. This involves optimizing your site's loading speed, ensuring it's mobile-friendly, improving its visual stability, and a whole lot more. But remember, while technical optimizations are essential, they should not overshadow the importance of relevant, high-quality content. After all, the ultimate goal is to satisfy user intent, and that's where valuable content comes into play. In essence, the page experience update is about enhancing user experience and aligning it with Google's evolving algorithms. It's about creating a balance between technical excellence and content quality to deliver a seamless and enjoyable browsing experience for users. So, are you ready to step up your SEO game and master the Google Page Experience Update? Let's dive deeper in the next segment. At the heart of the Page Experience Update are the core web vitals. These vital metrics measure how users perceive the experience of interacting with a web page beyond its pure information value. Let's delve into these elements and discuss how you can optimize them for a better user experience and improved search engine visibility. Firstly, we have loading performance. This measures how quickly the main content of a page loads and becomes visible to users. A slow loading site can be a major turnoff for visitors, leading to higher bounce rates. To enhance loading performance, consider minimizing your server response times, leveraging browser caching, and compressing images to decrease load times. Next up is interactivity. This vital measures how quickly a page reacts to user input, like clicks or taps. If a page is slow to respond, users can get frustrated and leave. To improve interactivity, optimize your JavaScript code to execute faster, minimize the impact of third-party scripts, and ensure smooth interactions across your site. Finally, we have visual stability. This refers to preventing annoying and unexpected movement of page content, ensuring a smooth and stable user experience. Nothing frustrates a user more than clicking on a button, only for it to shift just as they're about to tap it. To enhance visual stability, specify dimensions for your images and videos to prevent reflows, and use CSS transitions to create smoother element repositioning. Each of these core web vitals plays a crucial role in how Google perceives the user experience of your website. But remember, it's not about perfecting one aspect at the expense of others. It's about optimizing all three to create a harmonious, seamless, and engaging user experience. Optimizing these factors will significantly improve your website's user experience and visibility on search engine results. But this is just one piece of the puzzle. In the next segments, we'll look at other crucial aspects of Google's Page Experience Update, including mobile friendliness, secure browsing, and the importance of high-quality content. So stay tuned. In this mobile-first era, Google prioritizes mobile-friendly websites. The rise in smartphone usage has transformed the way we access information, making mobile optimization a critical factor in SEO strategy. So, what does it mean to be mobile-friendly? Essentially, it's all about responsiveness. Your website should automatically adjust to fit the screen size of any device, from desktops to smartphones, ensuring a seamless experience for all users. But it's not just about screen size, it's also about navigation and load times. A mobile-friendly site features a simple, intuitive interface and speedy load times, reducing bounce rates and encouraging user engagement. And let's not forget about Google's mobile-first indexing. Google predominantly uses the mobile version of your content for indexing and ranking. So, if your site isn't mobile-friendly, you could be missing out on significant search engine visibility. Remember, a mobile-friendly site is no longer optional, it's a necessity in today's digital landscape. Another key factor in Google's page experience update is secure browsing. This essentially means that your website should run on HTTPS, not just HTTP. But why is this so important? Well, HTTPS signifies that your site has a secure connection, which is achieved by obtaining an SSL or Secure Sockets Layer certificate. This certificate creates an encrypted link between a web server and a browser, ensuring that all data transferred between the two remains private and secure. It's like sending a letter in a locked box rather than a simple envelope. Now, how do you obtain an SSL certificate? You can purchase it from a trusted certificate authority. Once installed on your web server, it activates the padlock symbol and the HTTPS protocol, allowing for secure connections. Secure browsing not only enhances user trust but also gives you a better chance at higher search engine ranking. While technical optimizations are crucial, never underestimate the power of high-quality content. Content isn't just about filling space on your web page. It's about providing value to your visitors, answering their questions, and engaging their interest. And when it comes to SEO, there's no denying that content is king. In the realm of digital marketing, high-quality content has a twofold purpose. First, it serves to satisfy the user's intent. When users visit your website, they're on a quest for information, they have questions, and they're looking for answers. If your content can provide these answers in a clear, concise, and engaging manner, you've fulfilled the user's intent. This not only leaves a positive impression, but also encourages visitors to stay longer and explore your site further. Secondly, high-quality content plays a significant role in SEO. Search engines like Google are designed to deliver the most relevant and valuable results to users. Therefore, they favor websites that provide informative, unique, and reliable content. The more value you provide to your visitors, the more favorably search engines will view your site, boosting your visibility on search engine results pages. But it's not just about quantity, it's about quality. The internet is overflowing with information, making it increasingly difficult to stand out. This is where the importance of high-quality content comes in. It's not just about writing a lot of content, it's about writing the right content. Content that is original, well-researched, and expertly written will not only draw in visitors, but will also establish your site as an authority in its field. Moreover, high-quality content encourages longer dwell times. Dwell time, the amount of time a visitor spends on your site after clicking a link on a SERP, is an indicator of your site's quality. The longer visitors stay on your site, the more likely it is that they find your content valuable, which can positively impact your search engine rankings. In conclusion, while technical optimizations are vital, they should not overshadow the importance of high-quality content. The two go hand in hand, creating a user-friendly website that not only ranks well on search engines, but also provides genuine value to its visitors. High-quality content remains king in the world of SEO. Mastering SEO for Google's Page Experience Update involves a blend of technical optimizations and user experience enhancements. Let's take a moment to recap the key points we've explored in this video. Firstly, we delved into the importance of core web vitals, which include loading performance, interactivity, and visual stability. These elements are crucial for a seamless user experience, and they significantly influence your website's ranking on Google's search engine results pages. To optimize these, remember to focus on quick load times, smooth page interactions, and stable visual content. Next, we discuss the rising importance of mobile friendliness. As more and more users access the internet via mobile devices, it's essential for your website to deliver a consistent and optimized experience across all platforms. A mobile-friendly design isn't just a nice-to-have anymore, it's a must-have. Then, we highlighted the significance of secure browsing. Google prioritizes websites served over HTTPS, so don't overlook the need for an SSL certificate. This not only encrypts your website's data, but also boosts user trust in your site's security. Lastly, despite all the technical factors, we emphasize that high-quality content remains king. It's important to create relevant, informative, and compelling content that keeps your audience engaged and encourages them to stay on your website longer. All these factors combined create a comprehensive SEO strategy that aligns with Google's Page Experience Update. It's not just about ticking boxes, but about creating a user-centric website that offers value, security, and a seamless experience. Remember, the online landscape is constantly evolving, and so are Google's algorithms. Staying ahead means staying adaptable and constantly refining your SEO strategies to match these changes. Thank you for joining us in this deep dive into mastering SEO for Google's Page Experience Update. We hope it's been informative and helpful. Stay ahead by aligning your SEO strategies with Google's evolving algorithms. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more insights on digital marketing.